کانال فرازمینی ها.
Swedish explorer Peter Lindbergh and his Ocean X team of marine explorers discovered a truly mysterious object at the bottom of the Baltic Sea, later to be likened to the Millennium Falcon. Lindbergh's team describes themselves as treasure hunters and salvage operators who specialize in underwater searches for sunken antique high-end alcoholic beverages and historic artifacts. They were on a dive search in the Baltic Sea between Sweden and Finland for an old shipwreck when they discovered the strange object, which is now called the Baltic Sea Anomaly. As they were approaching the object, the side-scan sonar they used to detect the shipwreck stopped working. According to Stefan Hagerborn, a professional diver within the Ocean X team, anything electric out there, and the satellite phone as well, stopped working when we were above the object. Then when we got away about 200 meters, it turned on again. According to Ocean X, the anomaly has an appearance of rough granite and is round in shape. It is 3 to 4 meters thick and approximately 60 meters in diameter, stands on an 8-meter tall pillar-like feature, and is located at a depth of 85 to 90 meters. It was on their second expedition that the team found something that looks like a staircase and a round black hole which goes directly into the structure. The anomaly is made of metal and is said to be approximately 140,000 years old. Based on that hypothesis, the Baltic Sea anomaly would have been formed during the Ice Age. A sample recovered by divers found that the object contained limonite and goethite, metals that Israeli geologist Steve Wine claims could not have been naturally reproduced in this form. A counter-argument has been served by Swedish geologists Fredrik Klingberg and Martin Jacobsen that the compositions of the samples are not uncommonly found in seabeds and that they can indeed be formed by nature itself. However, sonar devices found drag marks behind the object, and Weiner says according to his tests, the structure is not a geological formation. The stone samples have also been analyzed by Associate Professor of Geology at Stockholm University, Volker Brochert, who found that most of the samples were granites, gneisses, and sandstones. He also found a single loose piece of basaltic rock, which is not common to be found on the seafloor, but also not unusual. He claims that these rocks were possibly transported by ice glaciers since the Baltic region is heavily influenced by glacial processes, in which Danish archaeologist Jørgen Denker also supported this claim. Some claim the object to be a remnant of a World War II Nazi anti-submarine device and considered that it could also be a damaged gun turret from an old battleship. Another claim was that of Göran Ekberg, marine archaeologist at Maritime Museum in Stockholm, who thinks that it was indeed a geological formation. He conceded that the findings are indeed unusual, especially because of its circular shape, but that nature has produced things that were stranger and far more unusual than the Baltic Sea anomaly. Other experts say that the formation may be a pillow basalt, a moraine, or the product of a hydrothermal vent. But the most controversial claim about the Baltic Sea anomaly was that it was of alien technology, perhaps, a part of an alien ship that happened to fall into the Baltic Sea. All of the explanations given by different experts seem to contradict each other, and until now, there has been no new information or test results to explain the Baltic Sea anomaly. Dennis Asperg, a member of the Ocean X team, said that they have contacted geologists and marine biologists, who all said that they had never seen anything like the Baltic Sea anomaly. This has triggered more tests and analyses to be performed by other experts. Since there is really no absolute explanation for the anomaly and how it could have gotten where it is now, this may remain one of the many enigmas of the world that are beyond human knowledge.